Welcome back to the Marty Sati YouTube channel. If you've got a glass and mirror shop and you're looking for an affordable, professional looking website, you're certainly in the right place. So keep watching this video today. I'm going to be showing you how to use the Marty Sites platform to create a website for your small business. It's super affordable. It's only going to cost you $9 a month to use the platform. And there is a free trial available for 7 days. You don't even have to put your credit card details in like most other online services these days. So click on the link below this video and give it a go. Once you've joined the platform, the very first thing it's going to ask you to do is to search for your market. We have hundreds of different markets to choose from for different small businesses, solopreneurs, people with various side hustles, and we are adding more markets every single week. So I'm going to go ahead and search for my market, glass and mirror shop. There it is over there. I'm now going to go ahead and select that template. Awesome. Let's go ahead and tell Marty Sites a few basic details about our business. Let's go ahead and pop in our company name as well as our city and our state or region. It doesn't matter where in the world your business is operating from, you can enjoy the multi-site service. We have happy users from all around the globe. Let's go ahead and change the type of business to retail. Click on continue and let multi-site work its magic and create a simple website for my business. And there you have it. It's literally done it in not even 10 seconds. Let's take a closer look at what it's come up with together. Now, the beauty of Mighty Sites is we've pre-written all the content for you to make your life as easy as possible when it comes to launching a simple website. All the content is just a guideline, of course. We've also pre-selected all the images as well. They're all really high quality. As you can see, they're completely free to use. However, I'm sure you've got some awesome images of the different products or services you are doing. You want to showcase them on your website, make it a little bit more suited to your business. You can do that. You don't need to know coding at all. You don't need to have any website skills whatsoever. And you certainly don't need to hire a web professional to help you with this either. You can do it all yourself and you don't need to be super tech savvy. So I'm going to go ahead and show you how to do that. I'm going to click on the first section at the top and go ahead and put in my company email address. I want to make sure that email address is displayed on my website, so I'm going to go ahead and tick the box. Let's go ahead and pop our phone number in over here, and that is click to call, by the way. I'm now going to go ahead and pop my physical location, my street address in. Great thing about that address, when your website's live and your customers click on it, it will automatically take them to Google Maps. Let's go ahead and update our social links so our customers can easily give us a follow on social media platforms. Icons will be displayed at the top as well as at the bottom. Let's go ahead and pop our logo in to make our website look super professional. I'm now going to go ahead and wait for that to upload. Once it's uploaded, if you want to crop it, zoom in, rotate it, maybe add some filters or a frame to that logo, you can click on this little pencil over it. Otherwise, you can make it bigger and smaller on the right. Awesome. Now with Mighty Sites as well, we pre-selected the colors for you. If you want to change it to go with your branding and your message a little bit better, no color coding needed. Go ahead and click on the little paint bucket on the bottom right hand corner. Go through the various color palettes available for you to use. Awesome. Now, for each section that you want to make amendments to, go ahead and click on Update section directly underneath it. Head on over to Update Image. Over here, you can browse your device and upload your own images. Otherwise, search through the photo library, hundreds of images to choose from. Play around with the keywords a little bit and just see what images pop up and which ones are suitable for your business. Awesome. There's some great ones. You can update the content as well. This was just written as a guideline for you, of course. Buttons can link to various places. Go ahead and choose link. You can link to another website, you can link to an action like click to call directions or click to email. Otherwise, upload a PDF file with your catalog, brochure, or maybe your current promotions and offers. Awesome. In the last section over here, you can click on Update section and put in your trading hours to display them on your website for your customers' convenience so they know when you open. If you have a custom domain already for your glass and mirror shop, go ahead and click on Connect your domain. Say I already have a domain. If you don't have a domain yet and you really want your website to look even more professional, go ahead and click on I want a new domain because you can now purchase your domain by the Mighty Sites platform. Really hope this tutorial was helpful in building a website for your business. Really wishing you and your business mighty success. Don't forget to click on the link below this video, sign up for the free trial, no credit card details needed, and give the Mighty Sites platform a go.